The Kaneye F9 True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at some budget earbuds that come in at under $40. These are the Kaneye F9 by PeohZarr. I will go over specs, features, provide music, and microphone samples, and give my final thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user manual, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The earbuds features 3 hours of listening time, 15 hours with the case. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case is compact and has a glossy finish on the top and a matte bottom. It comes with a 450 mAh battery. On the right side, you have the status LED and micro USB charge port. The lid clicks into place and you can open it by pressing the button on the front. The earbuds are held into place by magnets. One thing you will notice is the design. The right side is on the left and vice versa, so it's a bit awkward. The lid also has some play to it, and it doesn't feel as tight. The earbuds have a matte finish inside, and on the outside it's glossy. It has a nice big surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds feature touch controls, microphone, LED, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And this is how they look side by side. The playback and call controls are detailed in the manual, and it's a matter of pressing a few times or holding to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.3 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at roughly 32 grams, and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. The audio will be coming from the earbuds, and followed by that will be a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Kaneye F9 earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. You can use the earbuds individually if you prefer, right or left. Testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency. Results may vary depending on the device and apps used. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. So here are my thoughts on the Kaneye F9 earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were fairly comfortable and easy to put on. It didn't require excessive twisting and the fit was fairly snug. Touch controls were responsive and I had no issues navigating. It also stayed into place while running. Build-in quality, I would say it's just okay. The case does feel a bit flimsy and the lid has some play to it. Earbuds are simple and nothing really stands out. The overall battery life is a bit disappointing and would have liked to seen a longer listening time. But the touch controls are a definite plus. When it comes to sound, it does have the pronounced bass as you heard in the samples. It gives you that punchy feel. I was surprised, especially at this price point, that the bass was that good. Mids and highs were very loud and clear. I think this is where it excels at. You can really hear the vocals and instruments, and they come in fairly clean. The treble is not too much, but just enough. Overall, I think the F9s provide some good value for its price point. It has an IPX rating that can protect you from the elements, and the touch controls are a definite plus. It's a pair that you can take to the gym or just use for casual listening without breaking the bank. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.